When your home's safety is at stake, every second counts. A faulty wire, a pan left on, smoldering smoke. The risk of fire can be present at any moment. Here's the solution: the PNIA 437 smoke detector. Simple, efficient, standalone. It detects smoke quickly thanks to a smart chipset. It operates 24/7, without needing any other devices. Power is via the included 9-volt alkaline battery. Long life, up to 5 years. A loud audible alarm of greater than or equal to 85 dB and visual alert included. Made from flame-retardant plastic, resistant to high temperatures. Dust-resistant design helps reduce false alarms. Protect your home and family with the PNIA 437. The simple detector that makes a difference. Order today and sleep peacefully. Visit our site for more details.